you tell me any topic that you want to do today? Anything?
Ma'am, trouver la question.
Trouver la question. Okay. So do you know the basic things in questions, like how to frame question and all that? Very basic one?
No.
No
Very
idea?
basic also. No idea. That's it.
Okay, no problem. Okay, so give me 1 minute. Let me share something. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so very basic things in French in question framing. We have 3 types of question framing we do in French. Okay.
Okay.
One is intonation. Okay, intonation. We say intonation. Second, esque, and third, inversion. So intonation means the sentence will remain same. We just put question mark to make it question. Okay. In esque, we add esque in the beginning of the question, in the beginning of the sentence, whatever you want to ask, and the meaning will be like do you or did, does, and all that.
Okay.
In third part, we just replace the position of verbs and subjects. Okay. So see, first is intonation, in which we have vous parlez français. So we just raise the voice so that it looks like a question. Vous parlez français. Okay. So that means do you speak French? Okay. Tu regardes la télé? You watch the TV. Tu ne regardes pas la télé? Don't you watch the TV? So what we are doing, we are keeping the same sentence. We are just adding a question mark. Okay. So this is number 1, intonation. Next is esque. In esque, in same sentence, we just add esque. Can you see that? Esque, vous parlez français. So esque vous parlez français? Do you speak French? Okay. And if something is vowel, like a QU apostrophe, we will put QU apostrophe or il, because it's a vowel. I is a vowel.
Okay.
Okay. So est-ce que il ne regarde pas la télé? So normally whenever we make any question, we use est-ce que more and inversion. This part is like for lower class, like class 3, 4, when the people don't know how to inverse and all these things. Right. So in inversion, normally we conjugate like tu parle. Correct? But in inversion, what we will do, we replace the place. So it will be parle tu question.
Oh.
Okay, so we are inverting the place, this one. So this is called inversion, like inversion of the place. Fine. So as you can see the example, parlez-vous français? The meaning will same, do you speak French?
Okay.
And regarde-tu la télé? Do you watch the TV? Not regarde-tu pas la télé? Don't you watch the TV?
Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, so it will be like for the it will be tu regarde instead of in the answer, right?
Yeah. If you are answering the question, if it's written parlez-vous français, so you can say yes, I speak French. If you want to say that, then it will be oui, je parle français. Answer will remain same as you.
Okay.
Because if you ask with tu, like you, then you will answer with I. If I ask you, do you speak French? So what you will say?
I do speak French.
Exactly. So you're changing the subject.
Okay.
I am saying you are saying I. Correct?
Okay.
Yeah. So this how it works. So do one thing, just note this name, like give the heading interrogation, intonation, and write one example. Same for two, write one example. And here also write one example.
Okay, ma'am. Done.
Okay. So in inversion, we have one more point. Okay. Like this one. Whenever we conjugate the verb with il and l, like it will be il parle. Right? So its parl is ending with E. So whenever we use the inversion, you can see here, it will be parl, il, français. So both vowel will clash. Fine. So to avoid this thing, we just put T. There's no meaning of T, nothing like that. Just to avoid the clash of two vowel, we use T. Okay. And it happens only with il, L singular. And only for questions.
Ma'am, could you just repeat that?
Yeah. See, we are using il parl normally, right? Or let me
Yes,
use
ma'am.
the white. One second. Let me use the whiteboard. Okay. So what we do, we use PAR. Wait. So we use il parl français. Okay.
Okay.
Now we are inversing the place. In inversion only. Fine. So in inversion, we will write parl first, then il, right? Then français. Question mark. But as you can see, E is a vowel, I is also vowel. Fine. So to
Yeah.
avoid this, we just add T in between. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And it happens only with il and L, like with parl, T, L, français.
Okay. Okay.
Parle-t-elle français, parle-t-elle français. Like, does he speaks French? Sorry, does he speak French? Does she speak French?
Okay.
Okay. So I'm sharing the book once again. You just note it down.
Okay.
This part.
Okay.
It's only T. D and T is not applicable now. It was the old school book. So just till here. Till here.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Done.
Clear? Like till
Yes,
here
ma'am.
you understood everything?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. So now I'm going to give you one question. Like just try to do this. Then we will come to the adverb of the question, like when, where, how, all that part. Okay.
Okay.
So these are the question. Do till 5 only. Okay. So if it's written number 2, that means you have to use esker.
Okay.
And it's 3, that means you have to use inversion. Inversion. First is intonation.
Okay.
Make this
Yeah.
question.
Ma'am, all the 5, right?
Yes.
Okay. Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Mm-hmm.
So in the second one, manger is the verb, right?
Yes, right.
So will it be like so in the verb it doesn't have a T in the end?
It has S, no?
Okay.
It's not ending with E. So, like, it will be normal. Mange tu beaucoup de sucre.
Okay. Okay. Then. I'm done.
Okay. Tell me.
For the first one, S SQ nous aimons le fruit.
Good. Question mark.
Yeah, question mark.
Next.
Manger tu beaucoup de
Sucre.
sucre. Okay. So, question mark. And then où vais-je chez mon ami?
No,
Question mark.
it's number one. So, je vais chez mon ami. The same. It will remain same.
Okay. Je vais chez mon ami. Okay. Est-ce que elle a une belle robe?
Yes, correct.
Yeah. Ma'am, and then the fifth one I had a doubt.
Yeah, tell me.
Like, which is the verb over here? I have a doubt. Is it yeah?
See, whenever we have Ilya, we'll write like this. Y will become first. Ya, tell. Sorry. Our verb is avoir here. Okay. So,
Oh,
Y,
okay.
A, dash, T, dash, il. Ya, tell.
Okay.
Okay. So,
Okay, ma'am.
ya, un oiseau dans la cage.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Just note it
Okay.
down. Right?
Yeah. So it will be y a-t-il un oiseau dans la cage?
Yes. Question mark.
Okay. Ma'am, how do you pronounce the word OIS?
Oiseau.
Was okay, ma'am.
Oiseau. Okay. So, this was the basic thing that you must know to frame a question. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now,